Yo, so yo, shout out to We the Gods. I can't tell y'all to subscribe to. The fuck, I don't subscribe to. Anyway, so one of the channels I had to find from my main channel that I lost. So look, I'm checking out Umar Johnson's clinical review of Kanye West. In the comment section of this fucking video was one of the most hilarious comments, right? I want y'all to look at this video real quick. Let me show y'all the fuck just happened. What he just said. People out, right?
I think that both of our brothers, Kanye West and Stevante Clark, are suffering from a combination.
Alright, so you see Umar got the waves and shit popping, right? So check out what the fuck the two wrote. Where the comment at? JJ Evans, right? Umar finally got some waves and now he want to preach with his head down. Yo, I ain't gonna lie. That nigga never used to have his head down, yo. And I'm talking about, yo, man, this shit was classic, bro. I don't know who the fuck that dude is, bro, but man, you deserve a fucking award, bro. He said, I know it's this shit right off the bat. Damn. Thanks to social media, this shit brings out the bitch in a lot of niggas. Even so-called preachers, ministers, family men of standard professionals be trying to get them some bullshit swerve on. Third eye fucking holler. We as people have no compassion to see correction as more important. We rather feel good to quickly bash out. Oh, this is the slave mindset. I'll just keep pushing, bro. I'm down with you. Blah, blah, blah. Guys, get out of here, all that bullshit, man. Let the man have a funny joke, yo. But that shit was funny as hell. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. Hold up. Hold on. Let's see. Natural hair. Let me see one of these videos. Hold on, y'all. Hold up.
With the beef burger. But I don't eat meat. Oh well, I did my deed. At least I had me some french fries.
Let's see. Hold on. Hold on, y'all. I ain't gonna lie. Big breasts, chubby, cute, natural hair, big breasts, silly, vegetarian. Hold on. Hold on. Hold that thought. Hold that thought. Hold on, y'all.
Hi. Bye. I first started drinking, I was drinking Chardonnay. Okay, I ain't know nothing about that shit is nasty. Who drinks Chardonnay? Furthermore,
You get a sub. Oh, fuck wrong with you. Chardonnay is the shit. Anyway, guys. She kind of cute. She get a sub for just being cute. And I like your hair. I love you. Got some big breasts, too. I know I'm all off the subject, but goddamn it, subscribe to her. I'll let your boy.